Want to know how to upload your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and more? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily upload your music to streaming platforms and digital stores. Hey, I'm Regan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And today I'm going to show you really quickly how you can get your music uploaded. Now, first of all, just know that you can't directly upload your music to any of these streaming platforms or stores. They require you to go through a third-party company, through what is called a music distributor. And so there's a bunch of different companies out there. One I've used before is CD Baby. Another big one is TuneCore. The one I'm currently using is called DistroKid because I think this is the best one for indie artists like me. So I'm going to show you how then you can use DistroKid to upload your music, but a lot of these same steps will apply if you're using a different distributor. So with that in mind, if you decide to use DistroKid yourself, just be sure to use my link, which is OrpheusAudioAcademy.com/DistroKid, as this will get you 7% off your first year of membership. All right, so let's do that right now. So let's go to DistroKid, so OrpheusAudioAcademy.com/DistroKid, and then that will take us to a page right here, and you'll see this yellow bar at the top. That means you are using my link and you will get 7% off. And so then you simply want to sign up here. You put in your email and you create a password, and then you confirm your password and then click sign up. And then that will take you to a pricing page where you can choose different pricing options. And if you're not sure which one is best for you, then just check out my video up here. I'll also link to it in the description below. And this walks you through a complete DistroKid tutorial, including a breakdown of all the different pricing options and which one might be best for you. All right, with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account now so I can show you how you can upload music. All right, so here I am in my account, and I'm just going to click this little upload button right here. Pretty simple. And then you can immediately choose what services you want to be able to use. So here you got Spotify at the top, Apple Music, iTunes, Instagram and Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Amazon, and so on, Pandora, so on and so forth, Tidal. I keep interrupting myself. And so you can see there's a lot of different stores you can get your music on here through DistroKid. And so then you're going to choose how many songs you want to upload. So if it's going to be a giant album or just a single song. And the song I'm uploading has not been previously released, so I'll say no. And then I choose my artist or band name. If you just have one artist name, and then you'll just have your one artist. I actually have two, so this is going to be a Solar Dragons song, which is my little fun side project that I do on the side. I guess that's what a side project is, isn't it? And then I can choose the release date. So I'll just say August 30th, so about a month and a half from now, not quite, just so I can give myself extra time to submit to Spotify's editorial playlist team. And I'll use time synchronization on Spotify so that it is always going to be the same time every day for everyone else around the world. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do a pre-order because this isn't going to be a big launch. I'm just kind of just putting out music with this particular artist. I'm not really trying to grow my Solar Dragons. It's just somewhere where I put out just random music. So we're not going to worry about that. And then here I can put in the album cover. So any album art you have, you can simply drag it in here or upload it from your computer. All right, there's my album cover. Language is English, genre. So I guess my particular song here falls under New Age. Unfortunately, I don't really like that term. But anyway, secondary genre. I guess folk, because this is mostly piano. The song is called Skeleton Friends. I had no collaborator. And then version, this is the normal version, so nothing else here. And then here's where I actually upload the audio files. This is where you'd upload the lossless, .wave audio file. And I am the songwriter, so I keep that checked. Regan Ram, no lyrics, not a radio edit. And yes, this song is an instrumental and contains no lyrics. And I'm just going to let streaming services decide when to preview. Here's some extras you can add on if you want to. I'm not interested in any of these, so I'll just skip these, but you can look at these for yourself, decide if you want to do these different add-ons. And then here's just some important mandatory disclaimers that you have to check off. So I'll check these. And we'll just go back up, review this real quick, and then click done. And now it is uploading. The artwork is done. The artwork has been uploaded. All right, so it has finished uploading and it says done. That was easy, wasn't it? And yes, it was pretty darn easy. So you can see when the album will be released, and then it says get to work. We made a pre-save page to help you get more listeners, and this is something that's awesome about DistroKid. So this lets you share it so you can get people, excited about the release and following you on different social media platforms, or even pre-saving your song on Spotify, which can really help boost your streams. So this is really great. So you can also, it says what's next, so you can check on the status and also add credits or lyrics to your song. I don't have lyrics on this song, but you can see here where you can add in your lyrics if you want to. So here's credits. You can also download it if you want the actual song. And then if this was a lyrics song, I specify that was an instrumental, you could then come in here and edit the lyrics and add in your lyrics for the song. And let's go ahead and preview that pre-save page. So here people can pre-save your song on Spotify, so when it comes out, it's already saved to their favorites and they get a notification. And you can customize this and add where people can share this. So you can do edit page, and you can see there's all these different things you can add. So you can add Spotify pre-save on, have audio previews on. You can even have a YouTube URL embedded here and have different links where people can hear the music. So if you have your music on other streaming platforms like Apple Music, you can add these in here too once it's been uploaded and submitted to that store. All right, and that is it for uploading your song. From here, the next thing is logging into your Spotify for Artists and checking your upcoming releases so that you can submit this song to Spotify's editorial team for consideration and potentially getting your song added to Spotify editorial playlists, which can boost your streams. Now, if you don't have a Spotify for Artists account, you just have to get verified with Spotify, and DistroKid actually makes that very easy to do. So if you want to learn how to do that, then just click the link above or in the description below, which will take you to another one of my videos, which shows you how you can quickly and easily get verified on Spotify so you can get access to Spotify for Artists, which lets you submit your songs to playlists and gives you very detailed data on your listeners and your streams. And it also gets you that nice verified blue check mark on your Spotify profile. Otherwise, if you're wanting more help with growing your Spotify streams, then be sure to grab my Spotify playlist placement checklist in the description below. This will walk you through a proven step-by-step process for getting your music on Spotify playlists, even if you're a very small indie artist. Otherwise, drop a like if you found this video helpful, and feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any new content like this that I release on this channel. And don't forget to keep creating and have an awesome day.